Hey guys, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here in Babcock National. This is 43306 Waterbird Way. It's the Bay Creek floor plan by Lennar, part of the Coach Home series of condos that you're going to find here at Babcock National. The Bay Creek is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,100 square foot coach home. It's the second floor unit, but first we're going to look downstairs here where your garage is located. Your garage is actually a 3-car tandem garage, so you have plenty of space here, not just for your golf cart and a vehicle like you see here, but also some additional space or a second vehicle having the tandem side garage. Just past the garage here, underneath the stairwell, you do have additional storage space right there for all of your belongings. Now, coming upstairs, these owners have made some nice improvements. They've painted throughout, added a tile backsplash, but the Bay Creek here, you walk in and you have this beautiful open great room design. Just to my right here, this is where your guest bedroom area is going to be. So you have 2 guest bedrooms. They're really nice size, really as big as a master bedroom suite, really. Got a nice walk-in closet. And the second bedroom here, guest bedroom, again, big like a master bedroom, and you do have the walk-in closet over there as well. Over here on the guest side of the home, you do have the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and that's a combination tub and shower right there. And then we have your laundry space here, full-size washer and dryer, and some additional storage above. Now, out here in the main area, it's really nice, wide open spacing here. You have your dining area off to the corner here. You have an additional closet for storage right back there in the corner. And then this is all right next to your kitchen, overlooking your great room area. This owner has added some decorative trim on the ceilings there. You also get a gas range here at Babcock National with the coach home, which is really nice. So you get to cook on some gas. Nice backsplash recently added here by the homeowner. The white cabinets, the quartz countertops. Really nice, attractive package here with the Bay Creek. And then last but not least, on the inside, we have the actual master bedroom. It's huge. Huge master bedroom, tons of natural light in here if you've noticed that as I'm walking through. And you do have the sliders going out to your lanai from your master as well. 2 nice sized closets on either side as we head towards the bathroom here with your split sinks, the huge corner shower here, and then your private water closet there as well. Now the last thing we have is the lanai space and your views. So the rear of this building faces south. It stays really nice and warm here on a colder Florida day, and you're going to be overlooking the lake and the golf course here at Babcock National. Really beautiful view here from this coach home. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, it does come with the golf membership fully tied to it. You can reach us at all of the contact information below for Pinnacle Property. This is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.